So now we're setting system IDs in 3-button devices. So this is a 2DIM. It's purple label, but this applies to every other 3-button interface in purple or blue, so in 900 megahertz or 2.4 gigahertz. So as always, when we power it up, we can see what ID it's on. I've thrown you off a little bit here. See, it's the green light that's blinking, which means right now we're set to ID 1, not the usual ID 0. So what we want to do is put this back to ID 0, the most common default, and that means we're going to hold down the Set A button, or the first button past Funk. So Funk is always the most left, then the next one, then we apply power, and we get blinking yellow, which means we're ID 0. And if I apply power again with no buttons, we get confirmation of that. You already saw what ID 1 looks like. There, hold on. Let's go up to here, and there's what that is. Now, remember, we don't have a button now to give us the third option. This is very important. With our software, you can set ID 2, but with the buttons, you cannot. Now we can jump straight over to the public ID, which is both of these buttons held down together. I've made an interesting U-shaped tool for that. So now I will hold A and B and apply power, and we get the toggle, which tells us we're on public. It's the public shared ID, and as I try to do every time, we know we actually want to go back to ID 0. Keep it on a safe, unique system ID. There we go. I can confirm on power up. Yellow by itself is ID 0.